This is Unit 2, Lesson 3, Ordering Numbers in Standard Notation. So this should be on page 35 of your interactive notebook. This is going to be very quick. All you need to do is take all the numbers that you have and line them up one on top of the other. You have to make sure that the decimal points line up. So we're going to take all these numbers here below, and we're just going to write them one on top of each other. For now, we're going to forget about the order. Okay, we're just going to write them the way they appear below, one on top of the other. We're going to make sure that the decimal points line up so that we can compare the numbers in each individual place value. So we're going to start with the place value furthest to the left. What we're going to do right now is we're going to put them least to greatest. All right, so let's look. Which ones are going to be least? Well, the ones with the zeros in the ones place. So we'll just go ahead and put those up on top, and we'll put the ones on the bottom. Okay, let's look at all the zeros now. Which one is going to go on top? We have, in the 10th place, we have 4, 4, and 3. That means the 3 is going to go above the 2 4s because the 3 is lower, and we're putting it from least to greatest. Okay, let's look at the hundreds place. Okay, we have these two left. Hundreds place is the same. Thousands place is the same. 10,000s place, this one is smaller. So this one is going to go on top of this one. Let's look now at our last two numbers. They are the same in the ones place, but in the 10th place, 3 is lower than 4, so 3 is going to go on top of 4. Once we have them in order, we can take them and we can write them just like that. Okay, so what happens here is, when we look at the first two numbers, the difference is between the 3 and the 4. When we look at the second two numbers, the difference is all the way out here at the 0 and the 3. If we look at the next set of numbers, the difference is going to be between the 0 and the 1. And the final, okay, 0 and the 1 right here. And the final one is going to be between the 3 and the 4. Make sure you've got this copied, this starting example, and this final list. And you might want to circle all these differences in your interactive notebook.